Hello everyone, Java lovers. Welcome back to Coding with Kids channel. I am professional programmer with more than 8 years of experience in software engineering industry. And today we are diving into a programming essentials, loops. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our tutorials. Are you ready to uncover the magic of loops? Let's jump in. Alright, let's break down loops in Java. In Java, loops are your secret weapon for repeating tasks. They allow you to execute a block of code multiple times without writing it over and over. Java offers three main types for loops in for, while, and do while. Each has its own use case and scenarios where they shine. Here's a quickly peek at how each loops looks like. Then we look like the first loop is for loop is look like yes int I equal 1 I smaller than or equal 5, then I plus. So here is the code to repeat. Then we will move to the while loop. So while simple, it's here condition. Then do while loop. Here is the code to repeat. Then do while loop to while and condition. It's very simple. So here is the code to repeat. Noise and semicolon. These are the three loops in Java: for, while, and do while. Then let's apply loop to real world scenario. Imagine we are creating a program to count from 1 to 10 and print each numbers. And here we could use a follow for this task. Yes, we first comment while and do while loops. Then our for loop, our task is printing 1 to 10 numbers, starting 1 and smaller than or equal to 10 is iterate I plus plus. Then we want to print our result. Iterate is I. Yes. We can see what's the result on Split Boot run. Yes, you can see the result. So 1 to 10. Printing is very easy for loop. Then actually the loops are like the turbo booster of programming. They save time and make your code more efficient, especially when dealing with repetitive tasks. And so, to sum up, loops help you repeat code, and Java offers for, while, and do while loops for different scenarios. So today our sound jobs for mastering the basic of loops. Remember, this is just the beginning of your Java journey. Stay tuned to Coding with Kids channel for more exciting tutorials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to drop any question in the comment below. Happy coding, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for the today video watching.